Let's move on now, and it all started with Rahul Gandhi attempting to take credit for strengthening the new Lokpal bill when he spoke out in its support. But the BJP wasn't far behind, saying that they would even forego a discussion and vote in its favour. With the Lokpal bill likely to be passed in Rajya Sabha on Monday, the fight for credit over it has well and truly started.
A broad consensus on Lokpal has been reached, and now there's a scramble for credit. Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi, flanked by senior ministers P. Chidambaram and Kapil Sibal, led the Congress charge, appealing to all parties to pass the bill in national interest.
I just want to say that the Congress party fully supports this bill, and we would very much like the opposition and other party members to work with us to ensure that this bill is passed in Parliament.
The BJP too immediately jumped onto the bandwagon, saying it's willing to pass the Lokpal bill even without any discussion if other parties tried to obstruct it.
Let's pass this bill on Monday. It will be better if discussion is held, but if any of your supporting parties disturbs the proceedings, the BJP is prepared to pass it even without a discussion as recommended by the Select Committee.
The big thumbs up, however, has come from the man who started the anti-corruption crusade. Anna Hazare, whose fast for the bill is now in its 6th day, said the bill includes most of his 16 demands.
Difference दिखाई दे रहा है जो केजरीवाल की टीम कह रही है और आप, क्योंकि आपकी बात उनको माननी चाहिए, क्योंकि आपसे वो सब बने हुए हैं, आपसे निकले हुए, क्या लगता है?
अगर किसको लगता है कि ये कमजोर है तो उन्होंने आंदोलन करना चाहिए। मैं तो सपोर्ट किया, अभी मेरा काम खत्म हो गया।
The only hurdle now is the Samajwadi Party. Anna Hazare has written to Mulayam Singh seeking his support for the Lokpal bill, but the party says it will go to any length to oppose it.
तो क्या खाली कानून से भ्रष्टाचार रुक जाएगा? राज्यों में भी तो लोकायुक्त तो बने हुए हैं, लेकिन कौन राज्य में भ्रष्टाचार रुका हुआ है? समाजवादी पार्टी इसका कस के विरोध करेगी। हम किसी अन्ना हजारे या इस टाइप के लोगों से डरने वाले नहीं हैं।
If all goes well, Rajya Sabha may pass the Lokpal bill on Monday. Thereafter, the bill will be sent for consideration of the Lok Sabha. Bureau Report, Headlines Today.